Let's talk nails, the unsung heroes of your beauty routine. You don't need to spend hours at a salon to get that perfect fresh manicure. Today, I'm diving into the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails. If you've ever wished for a hassle-free way to get salon-quality nails at home, this might just be the answer. These are designed to give you a natural, nude look with a glossy finish that complements every skin tone. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails come in a sleek, short square shape and feature a gorgeous glossy pink finish. The kit includes 28 fake nails in various sizes to ensure a perfect fit, pink gel nail glue, 2 gris, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick. It's a full DIY nail kit in one box, promising to save you a trip to the salon. So far, so good, right? Now let's talk about how these nails actually perform. Applying them was surprisingly simple. I loved how quickly the process was. Just pick the right size, apply the glue, and press. And that's it. The press-on nails adhere easily and feel secure. No shifting or popping off, even after a full day of doing regular tasks. What really impressed me was the gel-like shine that stayed intact for days. They were chip-proof, smudge-proof, and even waterproof, which means I didn't have to worry about ruining my nails while washing dishes or using my phone. But the real test for me was longevity. Kiss promises that these nails stay perfect for up to 14 days, and I'm happy to say that mine lasted around 8 days before I noticed any wear and tear. While that's not quite the full 2 weeks, I found that the press-on nails held up remarkably well, especially for a DIY product. Removal was a breeze too. No damage to my natural nails, which is a big deal for anyone who's had issues with peeling or weak nails after using fake ones. As with any product, there are a few downsides. One of the main things I noticed was that the glue provided doesn't have as strong of a hold as professional-grade adhesives. While the nails stayed in place for the most part, a few of them did start loosening up by day 8. Another thing to consider is the limited size options for the nails. While there's a good variety in the kit, some people may need to purchase additional sizes or file the nails down for a better fit, especially if they have particularly small or large nails. So, how does the Kiss Bare But Better compare in terms of value for money? At around $8, I'd say it's a reasonable price for the quality you're getting. Considering the fact that you get 28 nails, the glue, and the tools, it's definitely more affordable than a salon visit. For someone looking for a quick fix or a no-fuss manicure, this is a great deal. That said, if you're after a longer-lasting option, you might want to explore professional gel or acrylic nails, which will cost more but can stay on for weeks. Now, if you're not into the whole press-on nail scene, there are alternatives that might suit your style. Brands like Impress and Dashing Diva offer similar press-on kits with various shapes and finishes. While Kiss nails are a great option for everyday wear, some other brands may have longer-lasting glues or a wider range of nail shapes to choose from. But here's the thing. If you're a fan of nude nails, the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails offer a beautiful and low-maintenance way to achieve a polished look. They deliver on their promise of a natural, glossy finish that works for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a night at a special event. If you're looking to save time, money, and still enjoy salon-quality nails, this is a great choice. In conclusion, the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails are an excellent choice for anyone seeking a quick, easy, and affordable way to get flawless nails. They're perfect for someone who wants a hassle-free alternative to professional manicures. If you're in the market for a DIY solution to glossy natural nails, these definitely fit the bill. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried these nails, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have they lasted as long for you as they did for me? I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.